In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send plain text email in Mailchimp. We'll walk through the entire process together, step by step. So by the end, you'll know exactly how to create and send a simple, clean, plain text campaign to your audience. First, log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand panel and find the option labeled Campaigns. Go ahead and click that. On the Campaigns page, look toward the top right corner for the Create button and click it. The page will reload into the campaign creation view. On the new left-hand panel, select Email. This will expand a few options. From there, choose Plain Text. Mailchimp will then ask you for an internal email name. This is just for your reference inside your account, so your subscribers won't see it. Enter a clear, descriptive name so you can easily recognize this campaign later, then click Begin. Next, it's time to choose who will receive your plain text email. Mailchimp lets you send to your entire audience, or you can narrow it down by selecting a specific segment or tag, a group, or by building a new segment right here. Take a moment to make sure you're targeting the correct contacts. Then, when you're happy with your selection, click the Next button at the bottom right. Now you'll edit your campaign information. Here, you can update the campaign name if needed, set your email subject line, and add preview text, which is the short snippet many email clients show next to or under the subject. You'll also choose your from name and from email address, which your recipients will see in their inbox. You can optionally check the box to use Mailchimp's inbox to manage replies, and another box to personalize the to field with your contact's name. If you scroll down, you'll find additional settings for tracking, social media, and other options. Adjust these according to your needs, then click Next again at the bottom right. You'll now see a very simple editor with no formatting toolbar. This is where you enter your plain text content. You can type your message directly, paste in text, add links using full URLs, and insert personalization tags so each subscriber sees their own details, like their first name. Take your time to write a clear, well-structured message, then review it on the left panel. When you are satisfied, click Next at the bottom right. Mailchimp will bring you to a final review page. Here, you'll see feedback and any alerts about your email before you send it. Check that everything looks correct. Recipients, subject line, from information, and message content. Once you're confident everything is set, click Send at the bottom right. And that's it. You've successfully created and sent a plain text email campaign in Mailchimp.